to another oxidizing reaction. Reaction with potassium ferrocyanide. Reaction with potassium. Hey. K4FeCl6. Ozone oxidizes potassium ferrocyanide K4FeCl6 square bracket to potassium ferricyanide K3FeCl6. It is called ferricyanide. It is called ferrocyanide. The equation can be written as ozone first gives rise to O2 plus oxygen, nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen oxidizes this potassium ferrocyanide to potassium ferricyanide K4FeCl6 plus H2 plus nascent oxygen, potassium ferrocyanide solution. It gives rise to 2KOH plus 2K3FeCl6. That means the potassium ferrocyanide is oxidized to potassium ferricyanide by ozone. So these are all the oxidizing reaction or oxidizing properties of ozone. Ozone is a strong oxidizing agent. Then oxygen, due to its instability nature, it is unstable, so it is immediately decomposes or easily decomposes to give nascent oxygen. Therefore, it is a strong oxidizing agent. The third chemical property, first was the thermal stability, second was the oxidizing character or oxidizing nature of ozone, and third one is the reducing character. Reducing character. Ozone also acts as a reducing agent. Because it has an ability to accept oxygen. That is O3 plus oxygen, it gives rise to nascent oxygen, it gives rise to molecular oxygen. First, in case of oxidizing nature, it has an ability to supply oxygen. But in this case, ozone has an ability in certain cases to accept oxygen. Therefore, ozone also acts as a reducing agent. For example, ozone reduces hydrogen peroxide H2O2 to oxygen. Here, hydrogen peroxide is oxidizing agent and ozone is a reducing agent. The reaction can be written as H2O2. It gives rise to H2O plus nascent oxygen. Se nascent oxygen ki accept karuchi? Ozone. And gives rise to molecular oxygen or dioxygen. It is cancelled out and the final equation is H2O2 plus O3. It gives rise to H2O plus 2. Then hydrogen peroxide is reduced to oxygen by ozone. So ozone acts as a reducing agent, and hydrogen peroxide here acts as an oxidizing agent. And another example for its reducing property is ozone reduces barium peroxide to barium oxide. Barium peroxide to barium oxide. And the equation can be written as BaO2 plus O3. It gives rise to BaO plus 2. This is barium peroxide and this is barium oxide. That barium peroxide is reduced to barium oxide by ozone. So ozone has a dual character. It acts both oxidizing agent as well as reducing. It has an ability to supply oxygen and also has an ability to accept oxygen. Then comes to the bleaching action of ozone. The fourth property is the bleaching character. Ozone acts as a bleaching agent for vegetable coloring matter. माने when ओजोन को जेतबळे में पास करिवा वेजिटेबल कलरिंग मैटर रे द प्रोडक्ट बिकम्स कलरलेस. प्रोडक्ट ता कोन हेजो कलरलेस. काई होउची ना ड्यू टू इट्स कोन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग कैरेक्टर. ओजोन acts as a bleaching agent for vegetable coloring matter due to its oxidizing nature or oxidizing character. ओजोन फास्ट कोन दबो O2 प्लस nascent oxygen. से nascent oxygen कोन करियो. This nascent oxygen oxidizes the vegetable coloring matter to colorless matter. Vegetable colorless matter. एमटी लिखा जाए vegetable coloring matter plus nascent oxygen. It gives rise to colorless matter or colorless matter. This bleaching action of ozone is permanent. Hello? But in case of sulfur dioxide, the bleaching action of sulfur dioxide is temporary. Because it was its reducing character. But in case of ozone, it is due to its oxidizing character. So the bleaching action of ozone is permanent. Next come to the uses of ozone. पहले देखिए यूजेस गोटे यूज हमें जानिले. अरे वन यूज हम कोथरु जानिले फ्रॉम द प्रॉपर्टीज. इट एक्ट्स एज ए ब्लीचिंग एजेंट का फॉर वेजिटेबल कलरिंग मैटर. सेटा हम देखि परिबा ब्लीचिंग एजेंट फॉर vegetable coloring matter. Second, it is used as germicides. Germicide माने which is used to kill the germs. Germicides or disinfectant. हमें जो सब फ्लोर सब सफा करू को दे फिनाइल हला एबे जो हार्पिक एगुरा सब कोन डिसइनफेक्टेंट. दे आर कोन डिसइनफेक्टेंट germicides or this and which are the chemicals which are used to kill the germs. So ozone is used to kill the germ. Therefore, it is used as a germicide and a disinfectant. Used for germicides and a disinfectants. अब कौन ओजन ओजन रा आ गोटे हम पढिथिले रिएक्शन कोदरे अल्कीमी ओजोनोलिसिस ऑफ अल्कीन ओजोनोलिसिस ऑफ अल्कीन हैला एठी देखि परिया ओजोन इज यूज्ड टू डिटेक्ट the position of double bond in अब गोटे जगह भी यूज होउची फॉर द प्यूरिंग स्टेरिलाइजिंग ड्रिंकिंग वाटर ओजोनोलिसिस का इट इज यूज्ड फॉर किलिंग द germs. It is used for sterilizing. It is used for sterilizing drinking water. Okay, so these are all for the preparation, properties and uses of. So the group 16 is over. Thank you.